In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on an existing Wix website. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will manage your site's pages, layout, and overall design. If you are already logged into Wix, just open the site you want to edit and make sure you are in the editor view, not the dashboard. Starting from the editor is important because all of the page creation and layout settings we need are located there. Once your site is open, look to the left side of the screen and click Pages and Menu. This panel shows all the current pages on your site and lets you add new ones. At the bottom of that panel, click the Add Page button or Add Site menu item if that's what appears in your version of Wix. This is the option that allows you to create a brand new page inside your existing website. When the options list appears, choose Landing Page. Wix may give you the option to start with a specialized landing page template or begin with a blank page. Either option works, depending on whether you want a faster starting point or more design control. After that, name your page something clear and relevant, like Special Offer, and click Done. Choosing a descriptive name helps keep your site organized and makes the page easier to find later. Next, in the Pages and Menu panel, hover over your new landing page and click the Show More icon, which looks like 3 dots. From there, click Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Layouts tab and select No Header and Footer. This is a key landing page setting because it removes the usual site navigation and footer links, helping visitors stay focused on the page's main message or call to action. After that, click the 3 dots next to your landing page again. Select SEO Basics and update the URL slug. This changes the end of the page's web address, so make it short, clean, and relevant to the purpose of the page. A simple slug usually looks more professional and is easier to share. Once the desktop version is set up, click the mobile icon at the top of the screen to switch to the mobile editor. Review the layout carefully and adjust anything that doesn't look easy to scroll through or tap on a smartphone. This step matters because a large portion of visitors will likely view your landing page on mobile devices. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner to make your landing page live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.